Just take pictures. The coastline's really nice. It's the last of the whole. Hindi pala.
18 tunnels siguro.
There's a long coast. Ito, oh, what's this? Kalesi Bigali. That's his castle. Oh, there's a castle here. What castle is this? Mother of many of the castles. Why do they have so many castles in this part of the country, Hannah? Are these castles of the different?
Doon siguro sa may bridge na side, no? May town doon, no? Ano, usually town doon. I think we're less than an hour na going there.
War stuff. Oh, another tunnel under construction. Parang construction path. Daming cherry blossoms ba? Parang at first the street was ano ba? Wow! So amazing, and then after a day of seeing the street all the time, parang okay, still maganda, still beautiful. I think I will end now.
Okay, di ba na yan? Cover sa bahaba na yun?
Hindi, like every end I turn it off every end. There's a nice coastal ano dyan, no? Mamaya na lang.